I like sandwich and chaat like bhel puri, papri chaat, pakoda. Once in month I take a healthy version with the variation of green chutney. There are several variations of the simple hari chutney which varies with the proportion of coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies. First I will prepare plain green chutney. For we have a coriander leaves, mint, green chilies and lemon, salt according to taste and black salt. So I added 2 cup coriander leaf in the blender jar, and half of the coriander leaf I have a mint and 2 or 3 green chilies. Now squeezing the lemon juice in the blender jar. First thoroughly check the lemon, there is no seeds. If one seed is left, then your chutney will be very bitter. So check it, then squeeze it. I generously add lemon juice to keep the chutney bright green. This is my mom's tips. Lime give a tangy taste also, so I like that tangy taste. Adding salt accordingly and black salt. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons water, not so much. Letting the blender. Now start to blending. Here I got a thick paste, but it is not properly blending, so again I shake it little bit and again start to blending. The main ingredients of great tasting spicy chutney are fresh herbs like cilantro, it is called in a Spanish word, or coriander, or as we call dhania, kothambir in India, and mint, pudina. So this both ingredients is main. So base of this chutney we can make several of variation. This plain chutney is ready. This plain chutney we can add in pakoda or the samosa, kachori. I'm always using sandwich in hara bhara kebab also. Looking rich green color. Now first variation of this best green chutney, I am using curd. First I am adding 4 tablespoons curd. Now mix it well, otherwise when we'll add the green plain chutney, so curd looks separate and the chutney looks separate, so mix it well. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons green chutney. In hotel restaurant, different kinds of kebabs and tikkas, they are serving this style of chutney, so this is a hotel restaurant version. Now go for next variation. And I am adding here 2 tablespoons plain green chutney, and here kids special mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. So this one more variation is ready. So with this base plain green chutney we can make so many variations. So here 3 kinds of chutney is ready. Now let's make a tomato chutney. It is very tangy and South Indian chutney. I like this so much. Most South Indian household enjoy a variety of chutneys with every meals. Telugu people make a spicy hot chutney with almost every seasonal vegetables. Let us start to make a tomato chutney. It is very popular South Indian chutney. For making tomato chutney, heat the pan, 1 teaspoon oil, any vegetable oil you can use, then 1 medium onion, fried 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 3 large chopped tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves and 2 green chilies. Now fry it 3 to 5 minutes. The raw smell of onion and the garlic go away. You can also brown the onion lightly. Next set aside to cool completely. Then blend to smoothly or coarse texture to suit your liking. Some people like add garlic directly to the blender for the raw flavor. You can also do that. If you don't eat onions and garlic, you can skip it. Just use ginger instead of the garlic. I do not use tamarind to this chutney as the tang from the tomatoes is sufficient. If you prefer, you can add little bit. And lastly, heat the pan. Add 1 teaspoon oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal and 1 red chili, and give tadka. So here our red tomato chutney is ready. It's very spicy, tangy also.